Now we are gonna make the drink that goes along with the lemon sorbet that I made in the previous video. And this one is called the Watery Grave, which, you know, the scene where Barbara and Adam fall off the bridge into the water because of the dog and they drown. So you need club soda, clear rum, simple syrup, lime juice, mint. You saw I harvested the mint in the beginning of the video. I harvested more mint than this, but I stepped away for a second and my cats got into it and just like, not gonna harvest anymore, it's fine. Oh jeez, these cats everywhere, everywhere. So anyway, first things first is I need, one second. I need 1/4 ounce fresh lime juice. I also need a lime slice for decoration. So let me get some lime juice squeezed. I got my handy old squeezer. I have my handy old ice cream scoop that's probably older than me. And I need to muddle the mint leaves. I don't have an official muddler. This is my muddler. Yes, this is a honey spoon, but it also works as a muddler. All right, here we go. So I'm just using these plastic tiki cups, making 2 drinks. It's supposed to have 5 mint leaves each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Oh, perfect. The cat's didn't still go. And then just muddle that cat in the background. That's Danny. He wants second dinner. So basically you're just muddling, breaking up the mint to get the mint flavor to come out. Oh my god, it definitely smells very minty. Okay. And then we need 1/4 ounce fresh lime juice, which I'm just gonna do half of a shot each, which is a little more than 1/4, but oh wait, that one needs a little more. I'm pretty bad about that. There we go. Precise measurements. And then add 2 ounces of rum. 2 ounces of rum. So what is that? A shot glass and a half. 1 and a half. 1 and a half. I'm pretty sure I'm wrong. And then 1/2 ounce simple syrup. Is that like a third of it? Oops, I don't need that much. Maybe just a little more. Yes, I've never been a bartender. All right, that, what else? Lime juice, 1/2 ounce, and stir. Stir, add ice. Enough ice, that's enough ice. And then top with club soda. Garnish with the lime. And this is the tricky part. Scoop of the lemon sorbet. It's looking good. Can you see that? All right, not the best scoop, but there you go. my god, that looks pretty good. It's bubbling. It's bubbling nice. Looks pretty good. I gotta do a quick taste test before the ice cream melts. Is it pretty? Is it pretty?
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh.
I do think it looks pretty.
Wow.
So, it's called the Watery Grave.
It's even in a tiki cup. What's that look?
I don't know. I'm just not a huge alcoholic drinker. So what do you think?
I like it.
You like it? All I taste is club soda.
Yeah, it doesn't have much sweetness, does it?
I put simple syrup in it.
Sometimes it sinks.
So I should stir it better?
I don't know. Give it a try.
I'm gonna use my muddler to stir it.
Your muddler.
This is what I use as a muddler. My Winnie the Pooh muddler.
I noticed that with mojitos, sometimes the sugar sinks to the bottom.
Okay.
Even with syrup.
All right, let's try that again. I mean, it's good. It's refreshing.
Very refreshing.
I'm just not. I'm gonna go with it's refreshing. I'm a terrible judge of alcoholic drinks. Alcoholic?
It's very light.
Am I saying that right?
Yeah, it's very light. I don't taste any alcohol.
There is a shot and a half of rum in it. Is that not enough? Did you like it?
I do like it.
It does remind me of like a beachy drink. Like,
Yeah.
we had all the
It doesn't weigh you
ingredients.
down like those.
Yeah. The rum's
syrupy
interesting.
ones.
We're used to dark rum. Hold on one second. Wish I could get Nutmeg's opinion because she definitely looks like she wants to give her opinion. So Nutmeg, were you the one who got into the mint?
She is.
Some people say mint is bad for cats. Some people say it's good. I don't know who to believe. So if you puke tomorrow, we will know regular mint is bad for cats.
She's not a fan of that.
No, she's like, I'm. Oh.
I wish she'd slap it. So we're
She's like, no. I don't want anything to do. Oh, that's how we drive her away. Leave lime on the counter.
I like it.